In today's video, I will teach you how to generate a Barbie-style portrait using AI. Let's get started. If you've ever imagined yourself as a character from the world of Barbie, whether it's a classic pink glam doll or the modern polished Ken, you can now bring that vision to life using Photor's AI artifacts. So launch your browser and go to Photor's AI artifacts. Now click the Upload Image button to select your photo from your device. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop it into the upload area. And make sure to use a well-lit centered photo with a neutral background for best results, and avoid portraits with sunglasses, filters, or distracting elements. On the left panel, scroll through the various categories and go to the cartoon section. And here, you can either select Barbie for ultra-feminine, glammed-up features, pink hues, and doll-like polish, or Ken for a modern stylized male portrait with smooth skin and bold facial structure. So click on the style that you want, and the AI will take around 5 to 10 seconds to transform your image. Now click the Compare button located at the bottom right of the editor to view your original photo beside your new Barbie or Ken portrait, and take a moment to enjoy the transformation. Most portraits will have glossy lips, glowing eyes, pastel lighting, and Barbie movie-inspired styling. And if you want a different variation, you can click the Regenerate button on the styled thumbnail. Each generation creates a slightly different version of the Barbie and Ken portrait. You can try it a few times to find the version that best suits your vibe. And once you're satisfied, you can click the download button to save your image to your computer or your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.